Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless and reward you for this great effort and Zati it entirely.
And you as well.
My question is regarding investing in share market, both for commodities trading as well as companies. In one of your videos, you had explained that as Muslims, we can deal in gold, silver, grain, pulses directly, hand to hand. Online trading is not allowed. What about buying and selling online Brent crude or crude oil? Or buying and selling shares of multinational companies like Tesla, Microsoft, Google?
Okay, first of all, buying gold, silver, or currency, the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that such transactions have to be simultaneous. Gold by gold, exactly the same weight and caliber or carat, and exactly it has to be simultaneous, give and take. If the types differ, if I'm buying gold with silver, of course they can't be the same weight, but it has to be simultaneous. So if I'm buying gold online with money, it has to be simultaneous, give and take at the same time, which is not possible online transactions. This has nothing to do with buying other products. So I can buy dates, for example, or salt, or barley, or wheat online without any problem because I'm paying in cash money. I can buy crude oil because this is not gold, silver, or currencies. I could buy diamonds. I could buy rubies. I could buy platinum. I could buy copper. There is no problem in that online. As for other companies' shares, whether it's Tesla or Microsoft and the likes, when you buy their shares, you're actually becoming a partner. So we have to look into their balance sheets and their annual report. If they deal with riba, which most of these companies do, so they finance their charging stations across America, for Tesla, for example, by borrowing from banks. They don't pay from their own money and pocket. And now they have the technology sold to other car manufacturers so that they unite the charging port. And they're financing it through banks. This means that I am involved in a company that deals with riba and invests its own cash in riba, in banks, and taking interest. And this is all coming back to me as dividends or profit and the likes. This is not permissible because you are a partner in it and Allah knows best.